This is a quick video to show how the face cradle works with the Shiro pillow. If you insert the cradle like this, obviously it flops down. So what you can do is position the cradle the way that you want. It tilts like this. It can go up and down. And when you get it where you want it, you take this handle, which is sticking up, and you just push it so that it faces down. And it can be a little stiff for the first couple times you use it, but it'll loosen up. And then the Shiro pillow velcros onto it in this position, or if you prefer this lower, then that can be adjusted down lower so that it fits like this. Thank you.